Hello and welcome to the first crystal unboxing. I love unboxing, and I'm sure you've heard of unboxing oracle cards before, so now we're going to be unboxing these beautiful crystal beauties, and you can save on their adoption fees. Aren't these gorgeous? I will share a little bit more with or about each one in just a little bit. Just going slowly here so you can see them. That's a piece of green optical calcite. This is peridot. This one is white heulandite. This is blue stilbite. And this gorgeous piece, I'm going to pick it up and share it with you a little more closely. This is stilbite, and I'll show you the fans. Look at the fan shape of this crystalline structure right there. Isn't that pretty? This is a stilbite fan, and on top of it, we have these beautiful, delicate, high vibe citrine crystals. Isn't that pretty? Wow. This is a one-of-a-kind piece. Well, they all are, really. And here's a piece of apophyllite. I don't often see apophyllite without anything on it or apophyllite on something else. And this one has a slight blue tinge or tint. You can kind of see that I'm wearing pink, so it's not a reflection off of me. It looks white to the eye, and yet in the camera it has this really soft blue. Let's see if I can... There, you can kind of see where it's a little bit blue. This is green heulandite and fluorite. So we've got also some, this is the green fluorite, and we've got some different colors of heulandite here. Or heulandite and green fluorite, I'm sorry. So the heulandite, that is all about dream recall, lucid dreaming, increasing the power and intensity and the clarity of your dreams. Green fluorite is for health, wealth expansion, soul retrieval. Oh wow, that just came through. Soul retrieval as well. So let's see if I can get this in the light a little bit more. Look at how pretty that is. Very pretty. And it is a decent size. It's really good size, a palm size. You can get any of these beauties and save 25% on their adoption fees. When you adopt any item, number of crystals, singing bowl, anything, and it totals to $97 or more, you're also going to get our brand new masterclass, Crystals and the Law of Attraction. And I'll share more with you about that as we go along. And here's a beautiful stilbite fan cluster. You can really see the fan shape. Isn't that gorgeous? And it is a soft peach tone. Some of it's a little on the whiter or lighter side. Isn't this pretty? This is really pretty. And what does it start off as before the 25% savings? Only $28. Look at that. Okay. Alrighty then. What else would you like to say? Oh, this is a piece of heulandite. It's pink. Isn't that gorgeous? The way it just sits on top there. And here's another one. This is all pink heulandite. Very, very pretty. We have red aura amethyst here. Red aura amethyst, and if I see, you can see just some of the amethyst here, the purple color just below. This is a combination of iron ore and a hematite, and it makes this color. These are found in Brazil. I found this in the back of the closet, and it's now ready to be adopted by a beautiful soul, maybe even you. What does red aura amethyst do? Red, as you might remember, is all about your root chakra, and amethyst, the purpley color, is all about your crown chakra. So it is a a way of bridging heaven and earth energies your crown and your root while you are being able to ground because of the red, the hematite. You will also be able to expand or open up your crown chakra even more. Let's see, this is a beautiful piece of white heulandite, and we have the apophyllite crystals on top of the heulandite. Isn't that amazing? So heulandite is about dreams, vision, emotional healing, and the different colors have some different meanings or some more specific meanings, and you can find out more about that. This is just stilbite, as in all by itself, no inclusions, no additions. And I'll turn the page on my notes here to share more with you about stilbite. Clear thinking, inner peace, enhancing dreams, love vibration, open and heart healing, gradual expansion of the self-awareness, and expanding consciousness. It can help you drift into a deeper, more restful sleep. And the pieces of stilbite that have apophyllite clusters, like this one. Oh, that's heulandite, sorry. This one is, this is stilbite and apophyllite. All of this is stilbite, and then this is a big, big point of apophyllite right on it. So the combination of the two, and I'm just going to leave that there while I read this to you. The energies combine, softens apophyllite, and brings heart and mind together. Apophyllite is a higher vibration, and so is a stilbite. So the stilbite has a subtleness and a sweetness to its energy. The apophyllite helps to open the crown, as does the third eye, the heart, for stilbite as well. This one is green heulandite and fluorite. Green fluorite, okay? Let's see, this one is apophyllite, green heulandite, and stilbite. Let me get the camera back up a little bit so you can see it. Look at this. This is the apophyllite. Here's the stilbite. And you can see the rest of it right in here. Isn't that pretty? This is so gorgeous. You can learn more about each of these beauties in our Etsy shop. This one I think is real sweet. This is white heulandite, and it does have a little bit of apophyllite inclusions on it. And you can see that these are really pretty good palm size. Here's a beautiful piece of stilbite. It has that blue tint to it, and then these are smaller apophyllite points that are on top of this beauty. And here's the back of it, so you can see it was taken right from Mother Earth, and it is self-standing. This is beautiful. And yes, it's hard not to keep them all myself, but they're here for other people's homes to help them find other new forever homes. This is peridot, stone of compassion, on basalt, which helps to add to the grounding and to the empowerment part of peridot. So you can find that one and this one in the green crystals. You can find the heulandite in the pink crystals. And then some of these other beauties that have more than one, you should be able to find this one in the multi-colored crystal section. And this beauty is apophyllite and stilbite. The stilbite is the peachy pinky part, and the apophyllite is the other. And this one wants to be shown and shared, trying to make two words into one. Here is the stilbite fan. So if I can get into the light a little better, that's the fan shape. And then we have citrine. Look at that. The citrine on top of it, and a little mini cave right there. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my gosh, so beautiful. All right, this is a stilbite fan with citrine as a combination. There we go. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them. I will help you find or discover which ones are meant for you. There's some white Heulandite right there. Look at that. Pink Heulandite. There's the Stilbite fan. White Heulandite. Look at these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pieces. And there's a piece of Apophyllite that has the blue tint color to it. These are so gorgeous. Apophyllite and Stilbite. And then we have Stilbite and white Apophyllite.